Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Suzzie Actress. I'm here to show you different kind of recipes, and today I'm going to show you how I cook my mandazis. Wow, you don't want to miss this one. I am cooking flavored mandazis, and guess which flavor? Ginger, one of the best. So come along and show you what I normally use. It's so simple and easy. We have 3 tablespoons of sugar, 3 tablespoons of margarine, milk cream, water, self-raising flour, and we also need a grater to grate our fresh ginger. All right, later on we also need some cling film to cover our dal so that it can be able to sit for like 40 minutes. I usually let my dal to sit for like 40 minutes so that I can be able to get the quality mandazi that I love. Yeah, okay, so now let's warm our water. This is the cream, and let it warm enough. Here we have our margarine. This margarine, we're going to melt it in the microwave. Welcome back. The water is heated properly. Here we are. So what we'll do, we will put in our sugar so that it can dissolve. Our sugar. Make sure you stir nicely. We have the cream there, that's why you can see the yellow. And then we can peel our ginger. So I'm sure there are some people asking, how is this lady working with her long nails like this? I'm used to it. That's enough. So we can cut this some more to make it more fine. If you have a mortar, you can use it. At the moment, I don't have it on set. Yeah, there we are. Put it in your water with the cream. Mix it up properly. At times, I usually boil the ginger with water to make it more strong flavored. You know, you boil it with water, then you mix with your cream, and then you're good to go. But for today, let's use this method. This is the most sensitive part. All right. So we put our self-raising flour in the basin. Make sure your basin is big enough to work with. And of course, I'm not using all this. So that's enough. I find it easy using a wooden spoon first before going in with my hands. All right? So remember, we had margarine. I melted it in the microwave. There we go. At times I use lemon rinse for making mandazi, orange rinse, cinnamon. You know, I'll teach you all these things. So let me go in with my hands now. You have to be very, very vigorous when you're doing this. I think it's a bit hard, so let me add some water in it. You see, the cream is still here. So at this point, I like using the countertop. So let me use the countertop to do this. It makes my work easier and I work freely. I can smell it already. Imagine. Can you imagine how the mandazis will be? It's not sticky, it's smooth. We are good to go. So now after this, we need to apply some oil. Put it in this bowl right there. So then we can give it some 40 minutes for it to sit. Then we can come back to it and now cook our mandazi. All right? Just a little. Don't apply too much of it. Spread it all over. And then even inside the bowl. Put it inside here. And then now we need the cling film. We wrap it tightly on top and wait for it to sit for 40 minutes. Make sure it's covered all around. We are done. And we are waiting for it to sit for 40 minutes and we will be back now to do the real thing. Alright? Keep it up. I am back, my people. Look at this. It has raised a bit. Yeah? It has raised, so we unwrap it. Remove the cover. And we are ready to go now. You can see? See? It's a bit bigger. So we are ready to work on it. So what we do, you can partition it into two, or you can work with the whole jar. So I think I'll work with the whole of this. Sprinkle some flour over there, which can make it easier for you to roll. Done. See, it's not sticking. That means our dough was made well, you know. So don't make it too thin or thick, just medium. Let's go. Yeah, we are done. So you see the size? This is the size I've left for my mandazi. All right, so now let's cut. To depend with the shapes that you love. Maybe you want the triangles, you can go for the round chapatis, then cut into 4. So now then, we can do this. Cut across like that. This is too big. You can reduce it. Make it 2. Alright, even this is big. Alright. These 2 are big. Alright. This one is big. Like that, like that, like that. Right? Awesome. So now let's deep fry them. So how do you test whether your oil is ready for deep frying? So as for me, I just use this, just a little bit of this dough, and you see, it's ready. It's ready. It's all ready. So now let's cook our mandazis. Don't overcrowd the deep frying pan. Okay, give it each and every mandazi to have some space so that it can be able to cook nicely. Okay, you see? Wonderful. See how they are puffy. I love it. So as you can see, the mandazis are ready. We need to take them out of here, otherwise they'll burn. I love the golden color. And note that I have a kitchen towel on top of my basin to suck out the excess oil. Alright? Let's move forward.